Getting to the building of your desired job is relatively easy. All you need is yourself and your hardworking feet. Fortunately, the hard part is getting your foot into that door. Are you looking for a job, feel frustrated because it's your first time on the job hunt, or you're switching to a new market and you feel defeated by the job post requiring a few years of experience? Well, what if I were to tell you that prospective employers often hire people with little to no actual job experience in that field, but their resume helped the employer see their bright ideas and their great potential? You may be the right person for the job. However, unfortunately, if your resume does little to highlight your skills and doesn't show off your talents, then you're not going to get your foot into the door. You may not be a writer. You may struggle to show your skills. You may not know exactly what to highlight, and you may be missing out on opportunities right now simply because your resume does not help sell you. However, with a little training on the art of resume writing, you can get your resume in the door on the top of the stack and in the right hands. In less than 2 hours, I can teach you the art of effective resume writing that helps sell you. As a career tutor, resume writer, and editor, I have helped numerous people transform their resumes. Recently, I wrote a resume for a soon-to-be college graduate, and after applying for entry-level positions at one company, he received a call telling him that his resume was so impressive he should be applying for mid-level positions, despite still being in college. While others had more experience than him, his resume specifically helped employers see that he had a lot of skills applicable to the job even though he hadn't worked in the field yet. And that is why I created this course. I want to help you market yourself well. In this course, you will learn how to show your prospective employer what you can do, how to write the content of your resume well, which experiences you should include to really help sell you, what sections you need to include to show off all your skill sets, and how to format the design. I want you to learn from this course. So this course is designed to give you time to practice what you are learning, as well as a place to receive feedback. If for whatever reason you feel you didn't learn anything from this course, you can receive your money back within 30 days guaranteed. However, I am sure at the end of this course, your resume will become a great marketing tool and it will help you get your foot into the door. So enroll in this course today and get ready to land a job.